really glad that I didn't throw this packaging out. And it's just a really good idea to read the instructions. Silencer baffle retaining plug bolt. There it is there. Snug that up. This is where you'd want to put some exhaust sealant on the inside of here, but you can only just get everything in there to do this without having to remove the footrest. But for the installation, head to my other video, a bit more detail there. Let's get outside and get a recording of this sound. So that's the clinical version. Same setup, same volume settings, same equipment. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.